Welcome to Dominic's Equipment Rental, Sales, and Service. Here today we have a Halverson HWP-140HD wood processor. It's currently mounted on our New Holland C238 track skid steer. It offers an enclosed cab with heat and air. This unit does have an Oregon harvester bar and chain on it with a 404 pitch. The maximum log cut length is 22 inches. The maximum log length that fits nicely on the table goes up to about 12 feet, although longer logs can be put on the unit and use the harvester bar to cut them down to size to that ideal 10 to 12 foot length. Come over here and show you the connections. It is a standard flow machine, 15.5 gallons per minute and right about 2800 psi. You have your male, female, and the center one is the optional case drain. Some skid steers have this, some skid steers do not, but you do need this case drain to run this unit. I'll give you a little look-see inside the cab. The electric solenoid switches zip tie right onto the handles. On your right hand, you get the table out, which pushes the log into the splitter head. The middle button, which would be your chainsaw down, it is an auto return. And then the right hand bottom button is the table extension back out. The left hand is the grabber arm down. The middle button is a grabber arm up. And the bottom button is a redundant splitter table return to go back out again. You can see all the wires. This here is our 12-volt plug that goes up into the system. And then in the back of the cab there, around the seat belt, is the actual brain of the operation where all the wires go into. It is a standard skid steer plate mount for easy quick attach on and off. Your automatic oiler, which holds about a half a gallon worth of bar oil. There's the grabber arm on the teeth. This unit does have the optional 4-way splitting head on it. I ran this personally over at my property. I did split about 16 cords of wood in roughly about 6 hours, and it was even with changing the chain once from getting into some muddy bark on the bottom set of logs. We are looking into having chisel carbide chains available, which would run about $240. More information about this unit can be viewed at dominixequipment.com, or you can call our sales office and talk to any of our friendly staff. Thanks for looking at Dominic's Equipment Rental. Hope to see you soon.